1970 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 383 underneath the hood, supercharged V8 Wyand blower on it. Automatic with overdrive transmission, recently rebuilt 4L80E, it's like new. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper. Headlight surrounds, grille. It is also going to come with an extra grille and surround, and we'll get to that in a little bit. But first, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video if you're watching it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, chrome center cap, radial tires, and yes, paint has a nice shine to it. It looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. Let's take a look down this passenger side. The 383 emblem on the front of it, and then they did leave the holes in the fenders. Next owner could put whatever emblem they'd like to install there, customize it to make it their own. Does have a little bit of that street rod feel to it. Custom interior with the black and red vinyl bench seat belts, some aftermarket gauges, and we'll get around to that driver's side. Start it up, let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and then as usual, Jason will take this for a drive at the very end of the video, so stick around. Shaved rear bumper, good looking roll pan setup. As you can see, soft tonneau cover. I have pictures of the bed in with the rest of the pictures too. It's not all beat up. It looks like the rest of the truck. And there you can see, it's like a new grille surround as well as grille itself. I have those in the still pictures. And once again, those still pictures, take your time looking through them, uniqueclassiccars.com. Technician did make a couple notes on this one. The brakes are 90% front and rear. There is a separate switch underneath the dash for the reverse lights. I'll kind of point that out when we get in the interior. Minor drivetrain seat from just engine. Nothing out of the ordinary for something that's driven. Stereo has been installed but did not power up. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see these panels really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these Chevy trucks, or just trucks in general, especially regular cab short boxes, good look, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done right off our showroom floor, or, of course, on the website. Door panel, looking good. There's also a horn button that appears underneath the dash here. Temp gauge, voltmeter, tachometer, as you can see, oil pressure gauge, and tech also noted fuel gauge in op, and speedo was in op, so you probably want to go off of RPMs or a GPS speedo on your phone or what have you. Lots of options there. Top of the dash looking good. It's that Kenwood aftermarket stereo, and then the backup reverse lights on a separate switch, like I mentioned. And go ahead and fire this up. It has a rumble to it. Sun visors intact. Tilt column. Relocated to the rear. Fuel fill is in the bed. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. check out this engine bay. Underside of the hood and engine bay. There's that aluminum radiator, headers, again power steering, power brakes, Pro-Max aluminum heads, lion blower, Holly 4-barrel. Looking good underneath there. 1970 Chevrolet C10 regular cab, short box. Little street rod feel to it. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1970 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. A regular cab in red with red and black interior. A little bit of extra power. This thing is supercharged. And it's an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. I can hear the turn signals working. I cannot see the indicator, but they appear to be working. Let's hit the road. Wow, she makes some noise and goes fast. This is a fun truck. The tachometer right here letting you know where your RPMs are at. And it gets up there quick. The temperature gauge is showing about 170 and it appears to be holding that for now. The volts are over 14 and that's good. We're charging. Oil pressure is about 70. That's also very good. Now the speedometer is not working, but who needs that really? Just drive for fun. The fuel gauge is topped out over full. The wipers work on this truck. We have a nice vinyl bench seat matching the red and black aesthetic we have going on. Mostly this truck is about having fun and making some noise. Nice tonneau cover. Brakes work, they're nice. Power steering working as it should. Very nice steering wheel with finger grips on the back. Corners nicely. This would do well on a drag strip, I'll tell you that much. It shifts right at the right moment. I had it maybe at half throttle there, and it was hauling. This is a fun truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this 70 C10 at uniqueclassiccars.com.